I'm going to be showing you how to fix Discord not opening on your iPhone. So if Discord isn't opening on your iPhone, it's usually due to app glitches, iOS issues, or corrupted cache. So what you can do is force close and reopen the app. Just swipe up from the bottom like this, and this will just force close the app. You can also try restarting your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. You can also check app for update. In order to do that, you need to go to app library and tap on App Store. Once you're here, you need to look at the bottom right where you can see the search button. After you tap here, you just need to search for Discord by typing it. Just tap there and tap on search. You have Discord right there. So as you can see, it needs to be updated. Just tap on the update button and see if it works now. You can also try checking iOS version, make sure that it does not have any software updates available. If so, just install it. And in all of these ways, you can successfully fix Discord not opening on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.